Okay, so for today's review, we're doing Mountain House Chicken Teriyaki with rice. A little laughing in the background. Okay, so here's what it looks like inside. This is actually half decent. I probably would do this again. Maybe a 4 out of 5 in terms of freeze dried. Yeah, I would do it again. Although, what was that other one was better? Yeah, it was better. Peak 2? Was it Peak 2? Yeah, that was actually better than this one. Yeah. All right, so that's it.